Gotta try this out, dude.
Let's go. Let's go, son.
Carrots. Hi, buddy.
What is going on, bro?
Oh, no, honey.
Buddy, what are you doing in the front seat? What you doing?
Are you gonna try,
Okay, I trust you, bud.
bud? Okay.
Let's go check it out, dude. Over there.
You love the river? Love the river? I love you, baby.
That's pretty cool. Mars, what you do?
Oh, love it, honey. It's cold.
Buddy, what are you doing?
On our way.
We're going to the Long Dong Silver Spire. It's gonna be legit.
I can't wait to see this.
Claire, you're telling me the moon landing's still real?
I can't tell you nothing.
Crazy spot, dude.
Dude, this is insane. This isn't even the Long Dong Silver Schlong.
This ain't even the Long Dong Schlong we're trying to get to. Keep moving.
Alien. Here's our 360 view we got going on.
We're approaching the spire. The landscape's only gotten stranger as we've gone. It is absolutely quite tremendous to say this.
There it is. So it's just a little speck over there. It's looking for a rock. Got the rock. Thanks, dude. We successfully did it. We created a little tent so that he can stay asleep. Over here. Baby sleep in there. Spire. Tori, that is a parenting Wayne right there. Look at his little feet.
Tripod. Tripod, backpack, rock.
Trifecta.
That's perfect. Buddy's cooked.
Now we go to the top.
It's pretty cool, man.
So
This
cool.
landscape's just insane.
I know. I'm scared to look at this after. Go, go, go. You made it.
Hi, bud.
Hey, are you alright, buddy? Hi.
Hi, Cozy.
Hi, bud. Hi, bud. Hey. Oh, good morning.
I woke up on the moons.
Oh, good morning, honey. Where is we? One mamas.
I carried so many of my two sons.
Buddy, what do you think about waking up somewhere like this? What do you think about that one, honey? Oh, I love it. Are you climbing out to the mountain, sir? Hey, climbing. Some crazy land out here. Buddy! Whoa, it's windy.
What a solid spot to breastfeed.
What do you think, buddy? It's cool.
It's telling us about your experience, right?
I love you.
Flying cozy little bed camper.
He's got a fresh bum bum.
It's gonna be a cozy night here. Cook up some dogs here. Got a nice windy fire going on. Buddy, a fire! Hey, Marcy!
Fire!
You see the fire? Oh, Marcy! Fire! Fire! And then we gotta get a Bowie knife.
Oh, Marcy.
Oh, buddy. Good morning. Good morning, Machu Picchu.
My turn first?
Yeah, you go ahead. For a ride with Mama, bro. Good job, Mice.
Dude, how fun in these mountains. Nice.
So fun, dude. We had to pull up the Moonscape. That is insane.
Jordan, be so careful. What if it fell off? Oh, this is so sick.
How come no one talks about Eastern Utah? My boys are tingling right here. Don't jump off. Claire, dude, hey! Claire says, be careful, bro. Moss needs you. Moss needs you bad. Crazy. Like, Claire, I've never seen anything like this. What do you think about that? Buddy, that's crazy, bro! Insane.
Taste test. I woke up, we were at a drive-thru. I was pleasantly surprised. Well,
That's doing everything it needs to do.
that's good. I like it.
Iced honey latte to close out the road trip. That was fun, man.
Cheers, baby. Just like that, we're home.
Whew.
Until the next one.
Home, bud.
So happy to be home.
We finally got home. It's cozier.
Cozy.
You crawl around and move. Good job, bud.
Okay, Val. I love you. Bye-bye.